Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this festival wedding guest makeup look. You can easily achieve this makeup. Ignore my hair. I used mostly a liquid products on my face and I really love it a lot. And if you want to know how I create this beautiful look, please keep watching. There's some Lotus ecostay Insta smooth perfecting primer. This one. Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in color 06 Clear Mont. So like dirty. I'm using this. It is Maybelline Free Face Duo Powder. I'm starting with this palette. It is a Makeup Revolution Ready Matte palette in Essential Day to Night. I'm taking this shade. Elegant Pro gliter pencil in shade Paradise Purple. Color is not catching on camera, but it's a purple shade. Purple shade with a hint of lavender. That's why it's not like showing properly on my eyes. Taking this purpley shade. Nicka 24-hour lip color in shade Eggplant. I'm using this to create a wing. It's like a dark purple shade. Elegant Pro Contour. I don't know which shade number. I'm using this shade. It's like a shimmery shade, not like a matte. I'm using this with my finger. This Nicka Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, and I'm applying it over my eye look. It's like a transparent shade with a hint of purple and pink glitter. I will be right back after completing on this eye. I used this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me in shade 230, and I use this concealer. It is Swiss Beauty concealer. and I set my face with this Lakme natural finishing powder, and I contour with, and by doing my eyebrows with this grey shade. Now I'm using this elegant for contour powder. It have a shimmer, but let's try. It can contour my face or not. Then it's doing its job, but the shimmer. And for the main contouring, because it looks so like what I'm trying to say, shimmery, that's why I'm using Nicka matte bronzer. It's my perfect and like so good bronzer. I'm using this from probably from 2017 or 2018, I don't remember as much. Now I'm taking big brush. Hyper Curl Express Mascara. I'm using my sponge and dab over everything. In this brush, and I use this gray shade and smudging in my lower lash line. Lakme Insta liner in shade Golden Go. I used this shade all over my lid, starlette glitter. Now I'm using this shade. It's called Summer Solicate. I'm applying this a tiniest amount here and here. Done. Using this non-transfer Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick in shade Pump Maroon. Such a beautiful shade lipstick. You can see it. Matte lipstick. That's why I'm using this over my powder face. For highlighting my face, I am using this. It's so powdery. So slightly, maybe it's showing me. Oh my god. This thing is a little. This thing is not as glowing that I used white one, and applying under my brow so slightly. Using this and MN lip liner to outline my lip. Now I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Cape Town. Fading. I'm not. It's not fading. Using this maroon lip liner. It looks so grungy. No. I'm using this shade. It is Kiss Beauty Almond Lip Color. Cape Town in between, like in middle of my lip. Mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I love it a lot. I'm using this like L'Oreal Paris Navy Yard, and I'm using this pink side. For highlighting my face, I'm using Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick. It is one of my favorite highlighter. Taking this first shade and second shade. Wow, I really like this a lot.